On today's video, we're going to replace this broken tile in this shower. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we do is remove the broken tile.
And let's put the claw hammer right there. Wait.
This came off really easy. Now we remove the adhesive.
Wow.
Let me see that.
Oh, I see. They use the right stuff, but then they try to silicone it later.
Next, we measure our tile and let's go ahead and cut it.
Go ahead. Push down on it. Go all the way across. Okay. Now just push down on it. Just. Yeah. There it is. All right.
So what we're going to use here is this thin set mortar, professional tile mortar. Mix it for at least 5 minutes.
Because more wet is better is.
Okay, I'm going to put some on the bottom of this. Okay?
Right, gotcha.
See how we're going to right here. And now we're going to set this sucker.
Yeah.
Okay. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.